morning, everyone. Well, today I'm back with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and we are doing Little Scraps Big Impact. And she wanted us to do something mixed media. So I got out my as mixed media as what I usually get, and that's with some ink. And so right now I've got tumbled glass, speckled egg, and kitsch flamingo. I have not used the speckled egg yet, but I think I'll try that now. Let's see, which one is it? That can't be it. Nope, that's rustic wilderness. Is this it? Nope. Maybe I don't have one yet? Okay, I might not have a speckled egg yet. This looks like it could be. Oh, yep, it is, but it hasn't been used. Okay, so I am going to ink my brush, and then I'm using the stencils from Mente, and like this one has a swirl. It's got some leaves. It looks like handwriting, some numbers. I think I'm going to use I'll use the vines on this. Some leaves here. And I just grabbed some scraps because, you know, that's what we're supposed to be using. Now we're not doing the swaps anymore, but she does have the, it's called the trading post. And so you can go over there and trade things. So that should be fun, except for I've been so busy I have not participated yet, but I really want to. Okay, so I've done like an overlapping of the leaves, and then I've already done some other ones too. I did this one here, kind of more like a robin's egg kind of look. This one here with some swirls and some writing, and this one with some writing. So, and then I have this one here that I haven't cut out one yet. And I do not have a die. So I had this from Mente, some chippies. And so I'm going to take and just trace that. And I'm going to trace this one while I'm at it. And this one's with the tumbled glass. Okay, and so I'm going to cut those out, and it really doesn't take very long, probably no longer than actually using a die, especially if I only had one. Okay, I'm not even on the line, but okay, I'm doing that anyway. I really like this vine. It's really pretty. And it was so easy, and that color is gorgeous. I could have used some green too. I just kind of grabbed the colors I thought I would like in eggs. And then I can use it on a embellishment. And I think I'll go ahead and cut this one out too, since it really doesn't take that long. I really do like a reason to use white scraps, because these were all just like laying there from matting pictures. So, and so they were ready to be used. Okay, so I have these, and let's see, I want to take, and this one's a tumbled glass. So I'm just going to go around the edge with that too. Did it just get windy? It's like something ran into the door. Okay, so there's that one. And let's see, the speckled egg. Here it is. I don't think I've dipped this one lately. And this is actually the back of the stencil paper. Look at this. It's like I could totally cut out an egg out of that. Okay. And then I thought I would, because, you know, I can't leave it alone, I thought I would use some flowers, because I had a bunch of Mente flowers just like laying here on the table. And this is from, nope, that's not from that. Okay, where is the one? Oh, it's from Floral Book 4, and they actually have some Easter things in it. Okay, so I'm thinking I've got these little tulips. So I think I'm going to use 2 of those. I'm going to do them over here, so. Okay, some glue. Oh, now that I looked up, I see that I could actually focus in a little better. My sister and her husband and my husband and me, maybe my other sister, we're trying to plan a vacation way in advance. Okay. And then one of the rabbits. Did I leave dimensionals out here? Oh yes, and I'm just pulling them right off. Oh, that's so funny. I tried to pick it up and just pulled them right off the paper. Now tomorrow I am going to be picking up, and then I have a big haul video. Actually, it's a blessing box. Okay, so there's one. Isn't that cute? Okay, so there's one. And what's the other one I wanted to do? This one here. Oh, this one here with just the writing on it. And I've got these little flowers I actually pulled out of Floral Book 2. These tiny little, I'm not sure what kind of flowers they are. They look like just the tiny little flowers out of like a hydrangea. I'm going to put that one up there. I'm going to try to get in on a couple of those trading post things this month. And I've got the island cleaned out. And so as soon as I can get rid of that stuff, actually I just have to take stuff off the top now, because that is a mess. And then I'll be getting my new desk. Okay, there's one there. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then I want to do this one here because I love the swirl. And maybe a tulip and this blue flower. Don't want anything else on with that. Oh, here's my... Do I have a little leaf? So this is... And I still have some of this that I haven't even cut up yet from this book. But this is one of my favorites. I don't think there's too much left of it. That's cute. And see, there is some eggs in here too, because this was kind of like the Easter themed collection. Oh, I'd like to put that. I like that. Maybe I should leave it alone. Sometimes I want to get carried away. Okay, I'm going to put this on there. Okay, and I might want to kind of wrap this around it, kind of like I had it. So I'm going to do it like this. So there's 3 as mixed media as I can get. And then 2 here I can still decorate. I really wanted to stick that piece of wood on there, but I think it's too much. Okay, is there any other one I would like to put on here? Oh, that one's way too big. Oh, wish I had more of those. Is there more of those in here? I hope you cannot hear my husband. He's watching some comic thing. Oh, what do we have here? A chicken. Okay, what can I do with that chicken? I need to cut out some more of these because they are so cute. Okay, here is a little egg. Here's some little flowers. Let me see if I can do something with this little chicken. And I have an adorable little bow. Got this little chick. And it looks like I must have cut him out in the dark because I can see that there's a spot right here that really needs to come out. Okay. Oh, I like him like that. Can I put something behind him? Over here. No, it looks funny, like he's trying to wear an Easter hat. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. Or do I want this one? Maybe this one. Okay. I love buying their floral books because I can just use these for so many things. Oh, maybe I want that there. Or when it's a different color. Maybe this. Yep, I like that. And I'm gonna put that little chickadee on here and maybe put them up on dimensionals. Maybe a small one for up there just in case I get too close to the top. Okay. And I'm sure I can find I'll be able to find an Easter picture to put with those. Okay, now I'll still have that one to work on. So that's it for today. I will have a link down below that will take you over to everyone who is making small scraps, no, little scraps, big impact. So I'll have that link below, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.